Hi, so I just wanted to do a quick video on maintenance and troubleshooting. Now I did a previous video on how to change the pool filter. Now I was bad, I didn't change it for like a month and a bit. So you're supposed to change it every 2 weeks, but now it's only been 2 weeks and I was having trouble with the filter, like it was leaking. I thought, well, what's going on? There was no pressure inside, so I thought, well, so I put the plugs in just like in the previous video and checked it, and oh my god, the filter cartridge was filthy. Like, to me, this is worse than the other one. The other one was like a month and it wasn't this bad. So what I think happened is we had a few days where there were bad thunderstorms and I kept the cover on, so we weren't using the pool for a few days. I was still running the filter for 8 hours a day, but one night I noticed, I guess there was a bad storm and the wind had blown the cover, so some rain got in. So I don't know if that's why now there was algae. But anyway, so I've added more chlorine and I tested the water. It's still showing the chlorine levels are good, but there was like some dirt and stuff on the bottom, so I cleaned that out with a cloth, so it seems to be okay. But I can't believe that much in 2 weeks. Like, there wasn't that much in like over a month. So anyways, I changed that now and cleaned it out, and now the filter seems to be working fine. It's not leaking or anything. So these are random things that can go wrong. Also, because there was a lot of water on the pool cover the last time because we had a bad rain, and I just kind of pull it off. So I guess the pool lost a lot of water between that and the filter leaking when it wasn't working right. So the water levels had gone down, and I wanted to make sure there was enough water. Like, you can see when the thing is bunched and you see there's not as much water, which isn't too serious. But the problem was, I don't know if I can see where the filter is. You want to make sure that the water levels are high enough. I'm going to try to go in the water with this. You want to make sure at the very least that the water is high enough to be above those vents. So like, there it is. So like, the water level was so low, it was barely even on top of this. And to me, for the filter to work properly, they have to be covered in water. So I didn't want to put more water because, I mean, it's almost September now. It's September, the end of the week, and we're going to have to be draining the pool anyway. But this is the last week of summer. We want to still enjoy it. So I put a little bit of water with the hose and some water from buckets to get the level up just enough that those are covered, because to me, they need that for it to work properly. Anyway, so these are things that can go wrong, but anyways, hopefully that's fixed for now, and we're going to enjoy the pool this week. Last week of summer, I can't believe it. Anyways, bye for now. Take care. Bye.